title? Basta yung toma lang, maalala ko. Maganda rin yun, parang
ako hindi ako maano sa title talaga. Tapos sa Blue Balls na yung ayaw ko pag malaki. Tapos hula-hula ko na yung iba.
Anong kantahin mo para alam ko ang title?
Ibobit ang pakantahin.
Yeah, let mama sing.
Ito, taga-video na talaga, no? Magambag ka naman sa kanta, uwi.
Naging videographer eh.
Let mama sing.
Ang hirap kayong bumire.
Go to comfort
Can
zone.
mama sing?
Kasi nakakatawa, yung hindi ko kami sa lukan na, yung parang may makuha akong
Kaya nga eh.
91.
Mama, what about
Nakalimutan ko
mama
yung title, maganda rin yun.
Kasi yung pinagrapa kong kanta na alam ko hanggang 85 na ako. Sila po nila.
Can we let mama sing?
Ha?
Can we let mama sing? She's very good at singing.
Okay, you ask him na.
Mama, sing. Sing a song that you like. You're very good at singing. So,
Magpasikat ka daw, te.
Ma,
Dali na.
mama sing.
Para makapagtayo yung kamay mo dyan, no?
Yes.
I never mind na lagi ako nakahawak nito.
Let's something to mama sing. Sing your song.
Paki-shoutout nga si Janet Baldosa.
Shout out.
Lang.
Mama, can I go home in Barangay Ocho? Fortress.
Borok Press, Barangay 8.
Yeah.
Sino?
Janet Baldosa.
Hi, Janet Baldosa. Ang nag-iisang Janet Baldosa ng Kapatay.
Mag-request ka daw dyan para kantahin nila Jonan.
No, let Mama be the one. Mama is a great singer.
Oh, really?
If we do not sing.
Sino pa yan? Nag-watch.
Kilala mo si Janet Baldosa, no? Anak ko nila patas. Jan.
Wow. Sila mga bihira.
Lang si Nono. Hanggang ganyan ka lang, no? Ganyan.
Nakikita ka ba?
Oh, nakikita ka.
Nanonood ba siya?
Yes.
Panood. Kaya natin to. Laban lang sa mga kapanood natin.
Ano mo, nakilala ko ba?
Halika.
Naalala lang kayo.
Halika na.
Ikuan pa ng kabisado mo.
Ito tubig, oh. Huwag na kayo maghanap ng malamig. Wala nang laman yun. Ito, huwag ka lang dyan. Wala naman to. Wala na, huwag makitira. Sabihin mo.
Thinking of you yata yun eh. Katy Perry din eh. Sige nga, you look for your tawla. Thinking of you. Kay by Katy Perry.
Oh, thinking of you.
Alam mo yun. Katy Perry rin yun eh.
Hindi
Diba
naman
yung
natin makatiti.
the one that got away, di ba? Katy Perry yun. Thinking of you. By Katy Perry. Nantay mo yun. Kaya mo yan.
Ay, iiyak ko na rin.
Thinking of you.
Ayaw mo ng roar niya.
Ay, shoutout naman dyan kay Noriel.
Roar.
Eteravan.
The roar.
Eteravan, hanggang dyan ka lang talaga. Ha?
Sino na?
Nanonood daw.
Igame yung Sharon daw, yung Sharon.
Anong Sharon?
Yung Sharon ko.
Anong Sharon? Sharon. Wala po neto eh. Balutin.
Thinking of you.
Wal, malungkot ka ba daw?
Thinking of you, Katy Perry.
Ito yung walang
One,
thinking.
one,
Ito yung walang thinking.
0.
Talagang inaano ko. Di ko alam yun ha.
Alam mo yan. Go.
Intro mo kuya. Baka hanggang chorus lang din ang alam ko.
Easily done once you are there, the perfection like an apple hanging from got nothing. You said move forward, do I go?
was looking into your eyes. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of winter, like a hot candy with a surprise center. How do I get there once I have your best? You said there's no sufficient word, so the ones I would dare. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. He put me in my words, disgusting with myself. 'Cause when I'm with you, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What would you do if you were the one who was spending the night? Oh, I wish that I was looking to your purpose, and yes, I do regret.
Ha?
Yung may ano ba yun? Ed Sheeran ba yun?
Deja vu, I don't know that.
Ano kanta namin?
Nakakamuta ko.
Statue?
Hindi sure. Anton. Ed Sheeran. Ano ba? Ed Sheeran? You sing it, Cola.
What?
Speaking out loud. Yung ba yun?
Ito maganda ito. 1, 1,
1,
4.
4,
Ano yun? 1 in a million.
Oh.
1 in a million. 5, 6.
5, 6.
Yeah. Alam mo rin to, pero panlalaki na to.
Ganda yan.
Jet
John
Legend.
Legend pala. John Legend.
Go get it.
I love you pala.
Nothing better. Call me Mr. Bill, then there that top model chick to your left, big fat right. That's I want to knew, but I never met one who like him. With a love of the world, the little of everything, a little bit of everywhere, with a little bit of everyone. All the girls start in with things I've seen, it takes much to impress, but you know your clothes make you so stand out from the rest. Baby, I could be in love, but I just don't know, don't know. Baby, one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter, in your presence can do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one but you. Girl, you're so one in a million. You are, baby, you're the best I ever had. And I'm certain
Ano ba title na?
and there's nothing better, there's nothing better than this. You're not a regular girl,
Title.
you don't give what I gotta lose. Think about it for you, what you can do for yourself. God, it's so big, though I don't know how to live. But the independent thing that we will do is living. I could be in love, but I just don't know, don't know. Baby, one thing is for certain, whatever you do is working. Other girls don't matter, in your presence can do what you do. There's a million girls around, but I don't see no one. Baby, you're so
Nak, you keep nga. Kaya tayo.
Baby, you're the best I
bawang.
1, 6, 0, 0, 4.
Noy, kumain ka na.
Nagtagay na mami.
Maganda na, nag-ipon.
What would I do? Your smile now, drawing me in and picking me out. I had a steady no. What's going on in the beautiful mind? On your magical mystery eye, and I'm so dizzy, know what to do, that I feel wrong. Heads on the water, but I'm pretty fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Keep your all to
Knock
me.
your brother, knock.
To you, you're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose and win, so give you all of me, and you give me all of you. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. World is beating you down, I'm around through every mood. You're my downfall, you're my muse, my first distraction, my rhythm and blues. I can still see this ringing in my head for you.
Ay, naman lagi kikiyam.
Tikman mo naman.
Nasa baba lang ako, hindi ko alam kung anong pagkain.
Ayan, nagawa ko.
Kailan mo ito ginawa?
Diyan, oh.
Thank you. Ano yung sausawan nito? You want to eat na? May kikiyam. Tago ka pa, ha?
And your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Keep your balls to me, I'll keep my all to you. You're my end and my beginning, even when I lose my breathing. So I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Give me all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh.
Ay, sorry.
Mga bagay na.
Oh, ano ito, no?
Ay, no. Hala nga, uy. Halang.
Kanina ko pa pinaghirapan yan.
Ito.
Itong ano ba yan? Ito.
Hala nga, uy.
Toyo yan na sibit na. Ito. Nasusok na fishball.
Hala nga, uy.
Hindi ka makagalang, te?
Mukhaan man, pero murag kuan ba? Murag.
Sakto lang.
Yan po.
Tingnan mo. Natingnan na.
Kaon siya.
Wala nang tubig.
Naubusan na.
Wala tubig.
Naubusan na eh.
Ano lang? Shout out, mami.
Nabilog?
Nuno. Shout out, mami.
Ano? 5. Okay lang yung pa-date.
Nakita mo yung score niya? Kanina pa.
Nakapag-100 na po, uy, kala mo ba?
Kanina pa siya kumakanta, ngayon lang siya naka 100.
Kaya pa, uwi na.
Look into your eyes, I see an angel in the sky. Sent from God above for me to love, so hold it.
Ingon pa niya, wag ko siya i-track talent, anak. Naman
Hold her body near, I see the sponsored souvenir. And then forever on, till life is gone, I'll keep your loving near. And now I finally found my way to lead me down this lonely road. All I had to do was follow you to lighten up my load. You treat me like a rose. You give me room to grow. You shone the light of love with me and give me air so I can breathe. You open doors to close in a world where anything goes. You give me strength so I stand tall within this bed over just like a rose. When like hope's gone, you give me strength to carry on. It's now I look at you, there's something new to keep my love being strong. I hear you whisper in my ear, and all the words I love to hear. How you'll always be here next to me, so I away my tears. And now I'm going on my way to lead me down this lonely road. All I have to do is follow you to lighten up my load. You treat me like a rose. You give me room to grow. You show the light of love with me. You give me air so I can breathe. You open doors to close in a world where anything goes. You give me strength so I stand tall within this bed of rain just like a rose. Seasons change, your love remains the same. You raise the dawn to where the sun should turn into rain just like a rose.
May suka na.
Dito pa din. Ano?
Agoy, air supply.
Wow! Yes!
When there's a dark storm on the horizon, and you think you can get through it, just put your head in my hand, and I'd show you how. When the future looks uncertain, you can count on me to be there. Heart and soul.
Makinig ka mga bata.
Someone who believes in you. When you're searching for that rainbow, I will help you find it. And when the mountain stands before you, I will help you climb it. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. I love that's always true in someone who believes in you. It's time to come alive. Your moments have to arrive. I'll bring out the best in you. We can handle the wind and the fall. Looking down ourselves down you. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else. You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else. You start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Someone who believes. Someone who believes. And someone who believes that you have someone who believes in you.
Hey, Jonah! Galing-galing talaga, galing-galing. Ano? Anong title? Someone who believes? Asa na yun? Ah, nandun.
15829.
15829.
Wow! Live ko na yan!
Oh!
Yun na yan, tita. Yun na yan, abong buhay na yan. Matitindigan.
Unang tira, 199 grams.
Yung lang pala natin nakatayo, ah.
Tapos si Gamgam naman tatago.
Yung tago ko yun, yun ano pa 100 sa akin.
15829.
Paborito yung question sa nababaw nung meron din.
5, 8.
Paborito yung question sa nababaw.
9.
Yeah. Wala ba kayong mga kamay para sa original?
Tama na, hindi nakapiya si Bunso.
Ay, tara day. Asang singer na ra?
Singer.
There's a dark spot on the horizon,
Hey!
and you think you can get through it. Just put your hand in mine, and I'll show you how to do it. When the future looks uncertain, you can
Sabi ni Nono, tumigil kayo. Wala pa ako dyan.
when your heart and soul are hurt, just look and listen to me. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that's always true, and someone who believes in you.
Go, Ate Bon! Sabi ni Tono. Si Nono. Palakpak dyan, no?
When you're searching for that red man, I will help you find it. And when a mountain's set before you, I will help you climb it. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need. A love that's always true, and someone who believes in you. It's time to come alive. Your moment has arrived. I'll bring out the best in you. We can have it all. No, we will never fall. Looking down from our celestial view. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else. You'll start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. Just follow where I lead. I'll give you what you need, and I'll tell you something else. You'll start believing in yourself. It's an easy thing to do when you have someone who believes in you. One who believes, someone who believes. I'm someone who believes, and you got someone who believes in you.
Ate Bon, paki-shout out. Ma'am Shi Official. Paki-shout out naman dyan. Ma'am Shi Official and Ma'am Gigi. May ikaw mag-shout out, me.
Shout out to home.
Ma'am Gigi.
Shout out, Ma'am Gigi.
And Ma'am Shi Official.
And Ma'am Shofi. Sino? Shopee? Shopee?
Lakas ng kamay!
Yeah! Dali na! Mura naman eh.
Kailangan pa Devon! Ang supply pa ako ano? Ay, kumakain ka ba?
Ma'am Shi. Ma'am Shi. Ma'am Shi Beauty Official. Where's the mic? Ah, okay. Mic phone ang hawak ko.
Si Mami naman, Mami! Mami!
Air supply dyan, air supply.
Touch by touch na yan.
Air supply.
Touch by touch na ako.
Ah, thank you daw, sabi ni Ma'am Shi. Kasi nasa, ano rin siya ngayon eh, nasa Cebu. On vacation ngayon, kaya... Yung singer dito ang... Hindi ko mabasa. Basa di lang, be, palihog ka. Hindi ko kabasa lang. Wala akong salamin. Yung singer ko dito, nagpapagaling pa yung pambato ko dyan. Ano? Yung singer ko dito, nagpapagaling pa yung pambato ko dyan.
Ay, si Nono, si Ruby.
Ah, okay.
Okay lang, kaya namin to.
Kaya namin.
Pumalakpak. Pumalakpak ano? Pumalakpak.
When I heard the news today, had to come and
Yes,
get
Ma'am
it
Shi,
straight
I'm
from
here.
you. They say you were living, so set your heart away. From the look upon your face, I see it's
Aba,
true.
ginalingan naman eh.
So tell me all about it, tell me all the plans you're making. Whoa, tell me one thing more before I go. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on? All the life I'm living for is gone.
Go back.
Pumalakpak si Nono. Pumalakpak. Lakasan mo pa, no? Seryosin mo na. Seryosohin mo na daw, paring Jonan.
And even now it's more than I can take. How am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? How am I supposed to when all that I've been living for is gone?
Init.
Devin na. Devin na, magtigpit na ka.
10:40.
Minutes and we're...
We're about to ano.
Magtigpit na tayo, Devin na.
Siya naging...
Let's lick the cheese.
Wala daw tatalo. Wala daw tatalo kay Papa. Sabi ni Nono.
Malimimik ka na lang, tanggapin mo na lang na manonood ka lang talaga ngayon.
Tama ka daw, no? Tama. Pumalakpak ka pa. Yung maraming palakpak, no?
Shout out, Nono. And Ruby.
Asan siya? Asan ka ngayon, no? Nasa bahay, no?
Shout out, baby of Green.
Si Ega may puro pa cute. Wala naman boses. Di naman cute.
Huwag kang bitter, oh. Bitter ka lang. Naka 100 na ako, huwag ka dyan. Bago matapos ang gabi ito, may 100 friends din ako. Sige na nga ako ng pag kailan ko mo. Hanggang alam ko na kaya tayo yung kanta. Uuwi mo na. ang gupit.
Ayaw ko ta.
Ngayon na kasi mawak ng may kailang pang-spray.
Siyempre, pangalsa ko eh.
Galingan mo.
Yeah.
Ilipat mo sa mga puti.
Save your smile. Everything's fate each time. I lost for words. And this thing waiting for you. Stay with me. Yes, I know that can't be. As morning comes, I say goodbye to you and to the sun, because I'm waiting for you, waiting for this dream to come true, just to be with you. And if I die, remember this night, I always see you guiding your life, guiding your life, I am yours. The company's dropping your soul. Easy, confused, swept away with your words. And you're my star, invincible, something in far. Grace under fire, someone is building my heart. In my heart, whoa, whoa, because I'm waiting for you, waiting for this dream to come true, just to be with you. And if I die, remember this night, I always here, guiding you slowly, falling into you. I'm obsessed with the fact of you. I can't breathe without you.
I tell your mom to stop it.
Tell mom. No, I'm holding.
Ate! Ate, okay na to? Off mo na to.
How to off? Finish? Okay.
Okay na.
Okay.
May na yung end it.
Okay, bye.
For this